Manchester University is putting up my little opera, The Invention of Morel, which is kind of a period sci-fi romantic black comedy.
I'm really looking forward to collaborating with the singers, the designers and musicians and the composer Stewart Copeland into bringing this opera to life for the community.
The opera is actually taking place on the Ford stage at the Honeywell Center in Wabash. Especially as a singer, acoustically, it's an incredible space.
It's really special that we have this opportunity to do this at Manchester University. It's only been performed twice before professionally.
Creating mannerisms and personality traits, and then in addition, bringing the music to life without any recordings and any other prior knowledge of what other people have done. It's an exciting, creative opportunity.
I'm especially excited for the musical challenges presented in this opera, like improvising rhythms or singing a high E, but I'm really excited to see how it comes out in the end.
I've always had good luck with students putting on productions because they just have all this energy, and I cannot wait to see what your students can do.